Hey y'all, how's it going? My name is Aline and welcome to this video about the Let's Keto. So if you're looking for a simpler way to lose weight, to really remove those excess fats that you might be storing in your body, I have the answer for you guys, but you need to watch this video until the very end because I will be sharing things like what you need to know about the Let's Keto before you buy it. I also have some exclusive warnings to get you guys into, so let's just get right into it, all right? First of all, you need to know that the Let's Keto is sold exclusively only on their official website. So if you do want to get the real deal, I think you do, right? So make sure you are buying it on the official website. Now, I am going to leave the website just below this video in the description box for you guys. That way you know that you will be going to the correct place and purchasing the original supplement, all right? Let's Keto. So the Let's Keto is a dietary supplement that is natural, meaning that its base is herbs and plant extracts, vitamins, nutrients, minerals, things like that. So guys, let's face it, you don't need to worry about taking the Let's Keto. And guess what? It was formulated, so basically it was made to help you guys burn stored fat. It helps you do that because it makes your body enter the ketosis form. So what that means is that instead of burning like energy for carbs and things like that, your body is burning calories for energy. So with the Let's Keto, you're going to have more energy and losing more calories, all right? That's how awesome it is. If you do feel doubtful about it, go to the official website because people actually leave their like stories over there, so their feedbacks. In case you want to have more confidence with the Let's Keto, you can read people's feedbacks on the official website and you will know what I'm talking about. But guys, there are over thousands of men and women all over the world burning localized fats or stored fats, however you want to call them, with the Let's Keto. So you know those fats around your arm, those fats around your legs, your thighs, your bum, your belly, most importantly, you can just say goodbye to that because you have the Let's Keto now. And the Let's Keto actually delivers what it promises. Plus, you do get 60 days to test out the Let's Keto. So basically, after 60 days of taking the Let's Keto, if you realize that, all right, I did not lose weight, I couldn't adapt to taking this capsule every single day, so you can go back to the official website, contact the support team, and ask for your money back. And that's how simple it is, and you get a full refund back, guys, all right? That is another deal why it is very important that you get it on the official website, because if you do need to go back and ask for your money back, you can do just that and you get a full refund, all right? But come on guys, people are actually losing weight, man. They are giving the Let's Keto a chance and they are having extremely great results. The Let's Keto is natural, so it does no harm to your body. It has no side effects. And it was FDA approved and GMP certified. So what more do you need? I mean, come on, just give it a chance. If you don't like it, ask for your money back, all right? Don't forget that the official website is just here waiting for you guys. So you can go there, check out that now because we have come to the end of this video and I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you have any doubts, leave them in the comments below. We will get back at you and see you guys next time. See ya.